Hello. Welcome to the UltFone channel. Recently, many friends have sent me private messages saying that their iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo and not responding, especially when updating the latest iOS system. Don't worry, fortunately, you have come to the right place. In this guide, I will show you 3 ways to fix the problem of iPhone stuck on the Apple logo without data loss. Now, let's get started. Method 1. Force restart iPhone. In order to restore iPhone to normal state, the fastest way is to force restart iPhone. This is also the method many users are willing to try. You just need to press and quickly release the volume up button, volume down button, then press and hold the power button. Release the button when you see the home screen. Now, you can access your phone and use it at will. If your iPhone is still stuck on the Apple logo, then there may be some errors in the system. The next system repair tool can help you. Method 2. Use UltFone iOS System Repair Tool. UltFone iOS System Repair Tool can fix more than 150 iOS system issues, such as Apple logo, looping restart, and black screen, without losing data. I will show you how to use it. First, connect your iPhone to the computer. After that, open UltFone. Click on the Start option. Then click and select the Standard Repair option, which will not lose any of your data. Then download the firmware to repair your iPhone according to the prompt. After that, click Start Standard Repair and wait for it to update your iPhone. Well done, isn't it simple? As you can see, your iPhone is back to normal. You can try this method when you encounter any stuck problem. Also, if you don't mind losing data on your iPhone, you can try using iTunes. Method 3. Update or restore iPhone with iTunes. Restoring iPhone with iTunes is the last resort when none of the above methods work. First, connect your iPhone to the computer. Then open iTunes and click the device icon in the upper left corner. Here, you can choose to update and restore iPhone. If you just need to upgrade, you can choose Update, which will not erase your data. If you don't want to upgrade, you can choose to restore iPhone, but I must remind you that this will erase all data, so be sure to back up important data in advance. Here, we choose to restore iPhone. iTunes will download the firmware and restore your iPhone. You need to wait for a long time here. After a while, it's done. Now you can complete these settings like a new iPhone. As you can see, your iPhone is no longer stuck at the Apple logo. Today's video ends here. If you think this video is helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to support us. Thank you for watching. See you next time.